Hello everyone. So today we are making here a soup, veggie soup, and it's going to be delicious. Try this out. What I have taken here is a ridge guard. Yes, ridge guard. We never tried making a soup with the ridge guard, right? You try this. It's going to be delicious only. So you have to try. That's it. So I have taken here ridge guards, cucumber, and cabbage and green leaves also I have taken, but later we will add that because it will cook faster. So we will cook this first. Roughly cut these vegetables and put that in a pot, place that in a pot and keep that on stove in a low flame. Put some water. How much water you want, you can put it. Like it's not like this much only, measurement is not there. So just cook it in a slow flame. So it's soft enough now. See, can you see? It's cooked. Don't overcook it. Okay. So I have taken here approximately like you can take like 1 cup of ridge gourd, 1 cup of cucumber, and half cup of cabbage that you can take. And you can just press and see mine is cooked. So I have to switch off the flame now. I will switch off the flame and I will add these green leaves. So I think the pot has a lot of heat contained, like it will capture the heat for a longer time. So if you are doing it in a steel vessel, then you have to turn on for a while, 1 minute you can switch on the gas, and after adding the green leaves. But for me it's a pot, that's why I'm switching off the gas now itself. Okay, see. So once it has done, remove that in a plate and let it be cool. And here for masalas, we can grind some ingredients, that is coconut ghee, four slices of coconut ghee, salt, and jeera, cumin seed, and pepper. So it's these are like 1/4 teaspoon. Jeera also like 1/8 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon you can take. So just grind these ingredients. I have not added any much in masala, only this cumin and pepper powder, right? So add grind this first, then you add the veggies. So all the veggies is here, like even ridgegard also. Just add this and just grind it into smooth paste. And salt is also there. If you want to enhance the taste, like you can add little bit lemon also on top of it. But you check it, if it is okay you can have it. Or else if you want some other ingredients, any other masala kind of things, you are free to add those also. For me it's perfect. This much is enough. I believe that we should not consume much masalas. It's very hard to digest. That's why I limit the masala items, how much is possible, but yet it should give the taste. So some people ask me actually, like, is it really tasty? I don't think so. Like that, they will act, or they will ask. So I will give a answer. Actually, taste isn't in the food. I will give you example, like some people doesn't like pizza at all, right? Then if the pizza should be tastier, then it should everyone should love it, right? They are not. So the taste is in not in the food; it's in our brain. I like to give you one more example of about my life. So 1 year before, I loved eating gulab jamun, though it was my favorite dish. You know, later I stopped eating gulab jamun. Like after 1 year, I got an incident to have gulab jamun. So, but now I did not like the taste at all. Then I was thinking the same gulab jamun, which was my favorite, but why I am not liking it now? I can find out only the sugar taste, nothing else, nothing was there. So, the reason when we start enjoying and identifying this real taste of vegetables, then we can make out the difference. So, we can find out the unnatural taste very easily. So then you will start loving the natural food like vegetables and fruits. So try to have more veggies and fruits in your diet. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Namaste.